Good evening. It's about 6:45 p.m. local time in Kaduna State, Nigeria. I'm going to take you through a new property we just acquired. And when I mean we, Rose Park Farms. I'm talking about Rose Park Farms. We recently moved from Edo State to Kaduna, and we acquired a small property on which we can erect a little farm that can take about 1,000 beds. So as you can see just behind me, this is the plot of land measuring about 50 feet by 75 feet, and we have blocks on ground already for the block work that we are preparing to do. We are about to build the living quarters, going towards the living quarter area for the farm manager and the farm assistant, and the little store where we can hold some of the eggs that we plan to produce in time. So I'm just going to turn around a little bit. If you notice very well, that's the foundation. That is the foundation. As you can see, it's just a little affair, a little place where the farm manager and the farm assistant can put their heads while they take care of the farm. That is the entrance of the property. Behind me, as you can see, you see a little space. We have sand for the work and some gravel. So I have shown you the living area or the quarters for the farm staff. I'm going to now show you where we have mapped out to accommodate the 1,000 beds that we are going to be bringing in very shortly, in a matter of weeks. As you can see from where I'm standing, let me just put the camera facing the piece of land. Just a minute. I can't operate these things, but if you look at it very well, look at this open space you can see just behind me. Our plan is to make use of this. This place is measuring about 8 meters by 20 meters. So we plan to put about 1,000 to 1,200 beds for a start. That's our plan. So I'll be keeping you guys updated week by week as we make progress on this channel. That's our plan. By God's grace, when we kick off, I shall be uploading another video to show you guys what our progress is. Please, if you are seeing us from anywhere you are in the world, like and subscribe and share this video so that YouTube can give this video or make it available for others like you to still see. And we are going to be giving you updates, especially if you are a new farmer that wants to be like us, that wants to grow along with us. And for those that have more advice for us, that have been in the business for long, they can also share their comments in the comment section. Thank you very much.